So I got a little story to tell. Years ago I owned this YJ, and Kevin's going to help me try to get it back in the driveway, or back in the garage today to try to get it. We got a trail ride in about a month, actually 3 weeks away. It's been sitting for over 2 years. I bought it back about a year-ish ago, maybe 2 years ago, and my buddy Kevin owned it for a while, so I'm going to pop open the hood and see what this thing looks like underneath. We need to try to get it moving. YJ looks rough, but it's got a lot of goodies in it. So that right there is a 5.3 LS with some PSC heads and cam and some other goodies underneath there. I've been told 450, 500 horsepower is what's expected out of it, but it's never actually been tested. Dual beadlock wheels, Atlas transfer case, 4L60E, stretched front and rear. Axles are what's called a 609, so it's got a Dana 60 internals and a 9-inch housing, so lots of goodies, but she needs some rebirth, and we're gonna go beat on it. First thing I'm doing is just giving her a hose off, try to get some of the cobwebs off of it, basically. It's been getting mowed around for years too. Wheels are full of mud and long grass. Something else I just found. Something Harry's been living in here. Ooh. You want to know what the greatest parts about having a bunch of holes in your tub is? Makes it easy to clean. Plan here is XJ's going to save the day. Pull the YJ around the front, and hopefully we don't have to hand push it in the garage, right? Let's wait for tomorrow when it's 95. Right. We're on the move. Cleared the first fence, so we're doing good. I think my windshield might have a crack. Should probably turn this camera down so I can concentrate on my steering. Hey look, my Jeep has a skylight. And a floor light. Alright. Into the garage it is. Alright, get to work.
I remember this hole being here.
Oh, that was covered by plastic. That was the first time this thing ever went out. The old JCR boys did that one, first trip. Thanks, Daryl.